Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to start with general knowledge class, wherein you will get to learn about a lot of wonderful things across the world. I hope it will be a very beautiful and interesting journey. Today we are starting with our first module, which covers page number 9 and 12. Let's start. Dear children, please note that this is the cover page of the textbook that we are referring to, Knowledge Tree by Souvenir Publishers Private Limited, and the authors are Mrs. Neena Sharma and Mrs. Sunitha Kapoor. Today, we are going to learn about pets and wild animals. We all love animals. So we are going to discuss about the two types of animals. The first one is pets and the other one is wild animals. This is from page number 9. The animals that are kept at home are known as pets. You might be having a cat or a dog at home. The animals that you keep at home are known as pets. The animals that live in the jungle are called as wild animals. For example, lion, tiger, etc. They don't live with us, but they live in the jungle. So, the animals that live in the jungle are called as wild animals. Pet animals. The animals that are kept at home are known as pets. For example, you all might be having a cat or a dog at home. So these kinds of animals will be termed as pet animals. Here in the textbook, horse is also given, which is basically a domestic animal, but some people use it for a kind of pleasure or they treat it as their pets. Wild animals. The animals that live in the jungle are called wild animals. For example, tiger, zebra, bear, etc. We cannot keep these animals at home. They live in the forest, wherein their food and water, everything they get from the nature, from the forest. Sometimes we can see these wild animals in the zoo, but definitely we cannot keep them at our home. Look at the pictures here. You can see an elephant which is huge in size and a beautiful deer. So these animals also live in the jungle so that they are also called as wild animals. This is a textbook exercise from page number 9. It is based on the topic pets and wild animals. In this exercise, you can see a lot of pictures. Here you have to name them. How you are going to do it? You will have to just write W for the wild animal and P for pets. For example, the first picture is tiger. You have to just write W or P in that circle. If you think it's a wild animal, you can write W in that picture. Similarly, you have to complete all the pictures in the slide. Answers are also given, but please try to do it on your own, then cross check your answers. Happy homes, a beautiful topic taken from page number 12. Why do we need a home? Because it protects us from the sun, heat, rain, basically from all the bad weather conditions. It gives us a kind of a sort of security. we feel really, really happy to be at home. So we can say that we all live in homes with our family. Similarly, animals also live in homes. Do you know, children? Some animals make their own home. Let's see how they make their own home and where do they live. Look at the picture here. A bee lives in a beehive. How beautiful is that? Next, a bird makes their own nest so that it can lay eggs and protect their babies from the enemies and bad weather conditions. Similarly, an ant lives in an ant hill. Ant hill. Look at the picture here. Small bunnies or rabbit, they live in burrows. Snake lives in a hole. The king of the jungle, lion, lives in a den. An exercise which is taken from page number 12, wherein you can see a lot of animals and their homes are given. You have to write the missing letter of the homes which are given below. Answers are also given, but please try to do it on your own and cross check your answers. Thank you so much, my dear children, for paying attention all through. Take care. Have a good day.